Oh, yeah, get on I-35.
And you'll find out quickly.
You find out fast, right?
Well, and also construction is now everywhere.
Yes.
I mean, San Antonio was definitely not like that. It reminds me now of Houston, where every direction you're seeing construction. It's because of all the growth that we're seeing.
I've never been more excited, Sarah. This is going to be funny, but the 1604 westbound to I-10 East, or eastbound to I-10 East opens tomorrow.
Ooh,
I can't wait. Yeah,
yes.
I can't wait to drive.
Yeah, you and I drive around there
I'll
a
let
lot.
You know.
So
by this time tomorrow, I'll have driven it.
We'll go for a joyride.
Right. Outside today, we got some rain to look at, plus a front over Labor Day weekend. Starting to fine-tune Saturday, Sunday, and Labor Day Monday's forecast. First, a live look into downtown. On this Wednesday, we've got a considerable amount of hazy sunshine, and you can see the fair weather cumulus over the city, kind of bubbling up in this daytime heating. A few showers have tried to get into San Antonio, but we haven't seen all that much. Some nice breaks in the clouds over Calaveras Lake this hour. Here's a look at some numbers. We've got 95 in the city, Shirts running 94, a little warmer west. At Castroville, it's 96 with Lytle. 97, though, when you get a little farther west on 90, and that's Hondo, Texas, with a southeast wind about 10 miles per hour. Hondo feeling like 100, Pearsall, Cotulla the same. We're stopping at 97 on it feels like, but 105 at Seguin. In fact, that looks to be, as I look at Del Rio and Eagle Pass, and it is the highest out there. 103 at Eagle Pass is close, feels like 100 in Gonzales. Here's live radar. St. Hedwig is going to get a little sprinkle here. So again, don't be surprised if you get a 10-minute long shower out there. It's really not going to amount to much. Some of the thunderstorms already weakening over Lavaca County. You can see over Hallettsville some pretty good rain. Also near Victoria, some pretty good downpours. But that's going to be about it for this evening, and definitely no rain tomorrow. High pressure expected to flex its muscle on Thursday, and that means high and dry. Could be sneaking up to a triple-digit high. We haven't seen one in a while. We're stuck at 16 for the year. Now, by 7 p.m. Friday, a couple of isolated showers popping off. I know we've got Friday night football starting up Friday. In fact, Brandeis O'Connor, the big showdown at Ferris Stadium. Well, here's the deal. It could happen, but it's about a 10% chance. You're looking at what we expect radar to look like at 7 as a few showers start to drift in from central Texas on Friday afternoon. Looks like a much better chance as we get into the weekend and this front gets a little bit closer. So unlike the last front, this front expected to get a little farther south and bring in a better chance of rain, mainly on Saturday, but a bit more on Sunday. Now, Monday's going to still hold a rain chance for Labor Day, but again, the best chance is looking like Sunday right now. And as far as how much rainfall, well, you'll see as we work our way through the weekend into Labor Day, it looks like the highest totals could be Bernie and Hondo. They need rain the most, you know, as far as exceptional drought. That's the pocket, so that would really be a blessing if it falls there. But we've got a decent chance of about 1/4 inch of rain right here in San Antonio. All right, so let's look at the 14-day forecast for no chance of rain tomorrow. Lots of sun and 100 on Thursday. Friday will be close. 10% chance of rain. We could do it, but I'm going to go with 99 for now. 30% chance Saturday and Saturday night. 50-50 as we work our way through Sunday. I think it could be letting up by Sunday evening, but then we'll have about a 20% chance of an isolated shower on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, about a 10% chance. And it's really looking like a pretty dry forecast moving forward. And you'll notice, again, just 10% chances through Friday, the 5th. Hey, we're learning more about the big engagement with Taylor Swift next.